Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy a Hostinger domain. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Hostinger. Now, open the official Hostinger website, click on the login button at top right corner, and you will be prompted to sign into your account. Once signed in, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, go to the Domains tab from the top menu, type in your preferred custom name, and then select the domain extension. After that, search for its availability and then select the one you like. Once selected, click on Buy Now, and you will be prompted to select a plan. You can select either one of the three options. After that, click on the Choose Payment Method button, and all of the available options will be displayed. Your total billing amount will also be displayed at the right side of your screen. After you are okay with it, select the payment method, enter your credentials, and click on the Pay Now button to confirm it. So that's basically how you can buy a Hostinger domain. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.